Here are 3 ways to improve your EEAT. That's right, they added an extra E. Eat. How do you show up higher on search engines? Number 1 is experience. That's the first E, user experience. And it's really simple, right? It breaks down to things that you like. Google basically says, treat us like you treat a visitor. So whatever your visitors like, and you use websites too. So things that you like are likely what your customers like. For example, nobody likes a slow loading website. Page speed matters. And then mobile friendliness. Can you load your website on a variety of devices? So if you think about it nowadays, we don't have standard websites, and we don't even really use like the old school way of 2 separate websites, one for desktop, one for mobile. You should have what's called a responsive website, which means it responds to the different resolution, not the device itself, but the screen size, depending on if your customers load your website on a desktop versus a tablet or a mobile device. Do you provide a good user experience? Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. And number 2 is expertise. Can you clearly communicate your value propositions, why you're unique? Can you put that unique value-added content on your website? Now, what's interesting about this is everybody's talking about AI. And so here's actually a unique opportunity to look at this from another perspective, because how many people are using AI? So we get this like big catalog, this big database of content that everybody's tapping into, and a lot of it's starting to sound the same. So there's pros and cons to using AI. I'm not saying don't use AI, but I think a lot of people overlook the unique opportunity to communicate your individual expertise in whatever it is that you're a professional at. The last one, how do you improve your EEAT? Authoritativeness and trustworthiness is what we're going to talk about on this one. We're going to lump those two together because the way that you show up as an authority is largely also how you build trustworthiness in your website. For example, are you an authority? Do other people look up to you? And the way that Google and search engines look at that is, do other people mention you? So are you featured in other websites? Do they mention your brand? So whether it's your brand, your business, or you as a thought leader, do they mention you in other people's content or link to your website? And so the reason why those go hand in hand is because that authoritativeness is what builds the trustworthiness. So each of those mentions and those links in these third-party pieces of content counts as a vote in the search engine popularity contest to increase your EEAT. So there we have it. 3 ways to increase those 4 letters: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.